Congratulations on taking delivery of your new Ford Transit Custom. Let's take a look inside the vehicle. On the driver's door, you will find controls for the door mirrors and windows. Similar window controls can be found on the passenger door. To the right of the steering wheel, you will find the lighting controls. You can adjust the headlamp angle by popping out the center. This may be necessary when carrying heavy loads. In front of you are the driving controls and instrument display. To the left we have the rev counter. The speedometer is to the right. The fuel gauge is in the center, and the small arrow to the left of the pump tells you that the fuel cap and nozzle are on the left-hand side of this vehicle. The left-hand stalk controls the indicators and high beam. The right-hand stalk controls the windscreen wipers and screen wash. There are two sets of controls on the steering wheel. The right-hand side is used to scan audio tracks or radio stations, provide hands-free telephone answer and hang up, and there is a button which allows the driver to issue verbal instructions. The central trip display can also be navigated from here. The left-hand side is used to set and control the cruise control, the speed limiter and audio volume. In the center console you will find controls for the heating, cooling and ventilation. This vehicle is fitted with an air conditioning unit that can be activated with the AC button. You will also find the hazard warning light control just below. Above your head, in the center of the vehicle, you will find controls for the interior lighting. We will now take a look at the touchscreen display. To pair your smartphone, first make sure that your phone has Bluetooth turned on and that your device is discoverable. On the touchscreen, click on the phone button. Then click on the Add Phone button. Select the option to discover other Bluetooth devices.
Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
The system will now search for your smartphone using Bluetooth. Click on your device and on the touchscreen to confirm and complete the pairing.
Sync. Please confirm pairing on your device.
Once complete, you will be asked to allow access to your text messages and contacts. Your smartphone is now successfully paired with the vehicle. You can now make and receive calls through the touchscreen, the controls on the steering wheel, or by using the voice commands. We will now look at some of the exterior features. The fuel filler cap is on the left-hand side of the vehicle. Behind this you will find the fuel nozzle and the AdBlue top-up point. AdBlue is an additive used to reduce diesel emissions. It is readily available and your vehicle will notify you on the dashboard when this needs topping up. Without AdBlue, your vehicle will not start, so this must never be allowed to run to empty. The bonnet release lever is located on the passenger side. Once released, the bonnet catch can be released by moving the yellow release catch that is shown here to the right. The bonnet can then be raised to gain access to the engine compartment. For your safety, the bonnet must be secured in the open position with the bonnet strut shown here. Within the engine compartment, you can access the dipstick to check the oil level and the washer bottle to top up your screen wash. At the rear of the vehicle, once the right-hand door has been opened, a catch to open the left-hand door will be visible. Pulling this allows both doors to be opened fully. There is also a side door. This can be opened by pulling on the handle and sliding the door panel to the rear. That concludes this short introduction.